Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Toyota Corolla starter. First, prioritize safety by gathering your tools, such as a socket set and wrenches. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical hazards. Make sure your vehicle is safely elevated and supported on sturdy jack stands before you begin any work underneath. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and secure replacement process. Once your vehicle is prepped, locate the starter motor, which is usually found on the engine block near the transmission. You'll need to carefully disconnect the main power cable and any smaller signal wires. Next, unfasten the mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine. Take your time with these steps to avoid damaging any surrounding components or wiring. Now, carefully position the new starter motor into its designated spot. Ensure it aligns perfectly with the mounting holes. Reconnect all the electrical wires you previously detached, making sure each connection is firm and secure. Finally, tighten the mounting bolts to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. This ensures the starter is properly seated and won't vibrate loose. With the new starter installed, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Double-check all your connections one last time to ensure everything is tight and secure. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Start your engine to confirm the new starter is working correctly. If it cranks smoothly, you've successfully replaced your starter. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.